haven't done a mail video in a long time, and I wanted to do one today because I got a gigantic box. Just envision it right here from Retrospekt. Let's get into it.
You know the type of guy that was a jock in high school but ended up becoming a huge nerd? You know, someone that's not afraid to make a fool of themselves on the internet. And someone that likes to shoot Polaroid a little too much. Did I say huge nerd? You know, just an ordinary, everyday guy. Well, that's me. I'm just another Chris.
Let's talk about today's video, and that is usually mail time, because I got some packages, but I'm rebranding it as Monday's Mail. Yeah. Only because I found that graphic over there in an old hard drive from an old freaking YouTube channel I used to do, and I wanted to bring it back because I thought it was fun. But enough about that. Retrospekt has sent me an awesome care package, because yes, we are going to be collaborating on a fun project. A couple of them, it sounds like. So I'm really excited. And I gotta say, thank you so much, Retrospekt, for sending over this package. This stuff is so cool. This is kind of just like bonus stuff outside the things that we were going to be working on. But don't worry, the stuff that you're going to see in today's video, you'll be seeing it in upcoming projects. A couple big ones. More on that later. First thing they sent me was one of their storage boxes for film. But not just one. They sent me two. These are really cool. You can write on the sides of them, pop them open. That was the silica gel that just fell out. But you can store, I don't know how many photos, but gosh, that's a lot of photos. And I'm gonna be using this on some projects coming up. All right. Woo! Next thing they sent me was some freaking socks. Yeah, that's awesome. Do it on film. I didn't know they had their own like clothing line, or at least socks. That's super fun. Ooh, they also sent over 2 packs of 600 color film, which, perfect timing, I was basically out of fresh stuff. If you guys seen a video I did 6 months ago, maybe more, of my film fridge, I showed off all the film that I have. I still have a lot of Polaroid film left over, but it's stuff from like years ago. I have a lot of like really old film, old stock, and I've been trying to shoot all of that before it completely goes bad. And so I haven't bought any new fresh packs of Polaroid film in a long time, and I was getting ready to buy some, so this is perfect timing. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Oh. Yes. What's in this one? Unfortunately, they didn't have the box for it, so they had to use one of their kind of like generic refurbished boxes, which I think is super cool. I haven't seen this design either. I wonder if this is new, or I'm just completely not updated on the current status of logos for Retrospekt. But what came inside this box, you might ask? Well, it's a camera I've actually always wanted. It's how I found Retrospekt in the first place, like 6 or 7 years ago. They sent me a killer acid camera. They don't even have this available on their website anymore, at least currently. I don't know if they're going to restock them soon, or maybe they're phasing them out. I don't know, but they sent me one. It also has all the stickers, which are, I think I left them in this box, yeah. But they also sent me something really cool along with this camera. They sent over a killer acid bag, which I didn't even know they had. What? The quality of this bag is insane. And inside, you guys will not be able to appreciate this on camera. It's the softest thing I think I've ever felt in my life. Ooh, I hope I can maybe convince them to collaborate with me on making some of my bag ideas I've had for several years. Retrospekt, that would be cool. But man, that is just the coolest thing. Running out of room. That's not everything they sent me. Before we get to the next item Retrospekt sent, which is a really cool one, I wanted to do a quick reminder and let you guys know about the Route 66 project I am working on, Forever 66. Yeah. And if you want to support the project, there are links in the description, like pre-ordering the book that's coming out. I've got junk that I'm selling to pay for this project. And I would love to see you over as a Patreon member for $1. Yes, because I'm asking 2,448 of you for $1. That's it. If I can get that, then I can make this trip happen. But if you want to donate directly to the cause, I do have a GoFundMe set up as well. All the information is in the link in the description. But let's get back to what Retrospekt sent me, because there is some really cool things. They sent me a Barbie bag. one of these, but for Barbie. How cool is that? They must have seen my video I did a couple of years ago now with when I challenged Caitlin to shoot Polaroid for the first time. It was a Barbie camera that I ended up giving her. I don't have that camera anymore. Until now. Woo! They also sent over their version of the Barbie camera, which I actually personally like the boxier design than of the 90s version. So that is so cool. So generous too, by the way. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff. I cannot wait to shoot these. I'm actually gonna be taking the killer acid camera on the road for the Forever 66 project that I announced, but links to that are in the description. They sent me so much stuff I can't even fit it on the camera. If you thought that was all, not quite. They sent over in this little assortment of stickers. Wow, a lot of cool ones. I actually really like their little, like this one here. It reminds me of the 80s like Transformers, like their stickers, like the emblems that would come on, stuff like that. Miffy, probably one of their collabs if I remember correctly. A couple other Miffies. We've got this one, which is Lee Puz. I think this is another collaboration that they did. Do It on Film, a couple of those. We got a Paps and Retrospekt. I didn't know they did a collab. Not a beer guy. Maybe that's one. Ooh, we got Carrot. We got Snoopy. And then Retrospekt's classic logo. And they also sent over 2 mystery pins, which I did open on camera already. So maybe I'll include that right now. Let's take a look at these pins. There's 2 mystery pins. I didn't know they did pins. That's cool too. All right. Here we go. Let's see which ones we got. I don't even know which ones are available. Which ones am I going for? What's the chase one? Is there like a secret rare one? I'll show it to you. Did I get a cool one? Did I get a cool one? Oh, cool. Retrospekt. Is this like a new design? I don't think I've seen this design before. That's super cool. All right, see what the other one is. All right, did I get a cool one? Did I get a cool one? Oh, same one. Oh, they are different. No, they're totally different. Oh my gosh. That's cool. It's like a little subtlety. So it's the camera itself. This is like a 35mm. And then this one is a Polaroid one. Oh, that's cool. That's fun. I like that. I like that a lot. I like it a lot. Wow, this was super generous of Retrospekt. But I am going to be doing a larger project with them. Potentially a second one, which I'm going to save that announcement for later, just in case details don't work out. But the one that is happening is they have one of my cameras. More specifically, a camera I gave Noptop about 5 years ago that needed to be fixed that he never got around to fixing. So I had Dave send that over to Retrospekt for a complete refurbishment, 600 conversion. So we're going to be doing a before and after with the camera. It's going to be really cool. So look out for that video in the future. Thank you, Retrospekt, for sending over some fun stuff and being a part of the first Monday's Mail rebrand, because that's important. But yeah, I can't wait to shoot with these cameras. Oh my gosh. Woo! But until next time, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Now, get out there, make some art.